I'm going to resume that situation because somehow the button got hit, and then now this is going to be part 2 of a simple process that didn't need to be 2 parts. Okay, here we go. There's an O-ring around this piece, and then when you slide it in, it actually seals wherever you press it against the thing. But just to show you right there what's going on with it. Now it comes with lugs. I'll put a little grease on it, on them, just so that they go in a little bit easier. Go ahead and put these in. There's 6 of those lug bolts. And put them all in. And they do have washers as well as lock nuts. Okay, so once I get these in, I'll slide the hub on and then finish what I got to do. Okay, so here we go. Like I said, this is a very simple process. A lot of people think it's so complicated, and they might want to take it to a shop that will definitely charge them and make it seem like it's such a hard, difficult job to do. And basically, you don't even have to take the wheel off or anything, or even jack it up. I choose to jack it up and elevate it because I was doing the cleaning the bearings and repacking them with grease. But you don't have to do that. All you do is take off the original hub and then slide this aftermarket hub, which is a manual locking hub, on there like so. And you put your washers on. Like I said, it comes with almost everything that you need, except on this model it doesn't come with the snap ring. If your snap ring is broke, you gotta go get a new one. I choose not to get it from the dealer because they got 6 or 7 different type of snap rings for this same model. So I went to Granger, which you could almost get anything from Granger as far as to do a mechanical project. Alright, now I'll stop this for a minute. I'm putting the nuts on. Just putting them in place. And then from there, I will tighten them up. I don't know if this video will be very clear. So I'll tighten these. Make sure you tighten from side to side to give it an even squeeze on there. not, it will go lopsided and mess up your installation. Go from side to side to get the O-ring to seat properly, because you do need that seal to keep water out from going in there. As we go evenly, tighten in a cross pattern. When you do tighten, sorry if I'm all over the place with this, because I'm trying to make this video and do this process with one hand, on the other hand with the camera. Actually need a tripod. Okay.